The successful testing of a fully domestic mathematical modeling platform for automatic control systems of gas turbine engines marks an important step toward technological independence for Russia's engine industry. The platform was developed by ODK-STAR, a key company within the United Engine Corporation. Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel presenting this analysis, explains that this is more than just a software achievement. It represents a deeper transformation in how engines are designed and developed. For many years, foreign digital tools were essential in engine development. Access to these tools has become increasingly limited. As a result, the need for domestic solutions has become critical. This new platform directly addresses that challenge. It allows engineers to complete the entire development cycle within a Russian digital environment. This reduces reliance on external technologies. To understand its importance, we can look at how it closes the full engineering cycle. The platform integrates multiple stages into one system. Engineers demonstrated mathematical modeling, automatic code generation in the C programming language, and hardware in the loop simulation. All of these were carried out within the same platform. Altitude Addicts explains that this removes fragmentation in engineering workflows. Previously, different tools were used for each stage. This often led to inconsistencies and complexity. Now everything is unified. Engineers use the platform to simulate gas turbine engines and design regulators. They also modeled fuel supply systems. These functions are critical for modern engine development. Precision and reliability are essential. The platform also provides advanced modeling capabilities. It can simulate both mechanical and electronic systems. This includes components such as fuel pumps, valves, and control devices. These parts directly affect engine performance. Altitude Addicts notes that engineers can analyze how engines behave under different conditions. This includes changes in fuel flow, temperature, and altitude. One key feature is the ability to simulate gas dynamic processes. These are difficult to study through physical testing alone. Digital simulation allows deeper understanding of engine behavior. It improves optimization. The platform also converts physical parameters into usable data. This supports accurate analysis and control. Altitude Addicts explains that this improves alignment between simulation and real-world performance. This is critical for certification. Another major advantage is reduced development time. Virtual testing replaces many physical trials. This saves both time and cost. It also speeds up innovation. Errors can now be detected earlier in the process. This reduces the risk of delays. Altitude Addicts highlights that subsystem interactions can also be tested more effectively. This improves overall system reliability. The platform is already being integrated into major engine programs. These include PD-14, PD-8, and PD-35. The PD-14 powers the MC-21 airliner. It is a key part of Russia's civil aviation sector. The PD-8 is designed for regional aircraft. It is fully domestic. The PD-35 is being developed for heavy transport and wide-body aircraft. It represents future capability. Altitude Addicts explains that integrating the platform into these programs improves control system design. It ensures high safety standards. A major goal of this development is replacing foreign engineering software. This is a critical strategic step. Previously, Russian engineers relied on Western tools. These were used for modeling and simulation. Sanctions and restrictions have made access difficult. This created serious challenges. Altitude Addicts notes that the new platform replicates key capabilities of those systems. It includes modeling, simulation, and code generation. This ensures continuity in development. projects can move forward without disruption. It also improves control over customization and security. Long-term development becomes more stable. This development is part of a broader trend toward digitalization. Modern engineering increasingly relies on digital tools. Gas turbine engines are extremely complex systems. They involve mechanical, thermal, and electronic interactions. Altitude Addicts explains that digital modeling helps manage this complexity. Thousands of scenarios can be tested virtually. This improves reliability and reduces costs. It also accelerates development cycles. The platform also strengthens industrial capability. ODK-STAR plays a major role in engine control systems. By developing both hardware and software internally, the company becomes more self-sufficient. This improves resilience. Altitude Addicts highlights that this integrated approach supports innovation. It reduces dependence on external suppliers. Control systems themselves are critical in modern engines. They regulate fuel flow and monitor performance. They also ensure safety under all conditions. Accuracy is essential. The new platform provides tools to design and test these systems effectively. It increases confidence in performance. Altitude Addicts explains that even small errors in control systems can cause major issues. This makes precision vital. The broader implications of this development extend beyond aviation. It can be applied in energy and transportation sectors. For aviation, it reduces vulnerability to external pressures. It supports continued engine development. For industry, it improves gas turbine performance in energy systems. This includes power generation. Looking ahead, the platform will continue to evolve. New features will be added over time. Altitude Addicts notes that it could become the standard tool for engine development in Russia. Its role will likely expand. In conclusion, the successful testing of this platform is a major milestone. It strengthens technological independence. By replacing foreign tools, Russia is building a self-sufficient engineering ecosystem. This supports future innovation. Altitude Addicts concludes that this platform will play a key role in shaping the next generation of engines. It represents both technological progress and strategic capability. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.